channel. I'm just a girl who's enthusiastic about makeup and positivity. And when I say positivity, I mean bringing people up, not pushing people down. Being mean is not cool. Awesome people are not mean, so be kind all the time. So hope everyone's doing well, hanging in there again in this, time of craziness and everything. Just remember, wash your hands, stay home if you can, just social distance, I guess. I don't know. It's interesting. I'm on week 2.5 of my job being closed. I don't think we're going back next week. So it's interesting. I mean, it is what it is. It's really all I can say. I mean, it is what it is. So for this video, I thought that it would be fun to do an eyeshadow look based on the colors of my current favorite book series, which is Stalking Jack the Ripper. And I'm gonna grab it. I'm going to do my eyes based on the colors in the cover right here. I went through the eyeshadows that I had and I found two greens that I feel, bluishy greens that I feel match this. And of course I'm going to use some black, and I'm going to have some fun just like matching my eyeshadow to the colors on this cover. I mentioned this like 2 or 3 weeks ago. I'm in love with this book series. I actually finished the whole thing. Now there's 4 books. It's so good. It's like the last book I really like I said before, since I think Harry Potter, that like the characters just captured me and I really cared about what happened to them and I was invested in their story. And the 2 main characters, Audrey Rose and Thomas, are like my favorite characters right now. I just think they're so awesome. I enjoy them so much. So yeah, I'm really excited to do this look. I just thought it'd be fun, just a way to incorporate something that I'm in love with other things that I love. Just happiness, bringing happiness in a time of uncertainty is what I'm trying to do, I think. So without further ado, let's get into a Stalking Jack the Ripper eye look. So to start off, I prime my eyes like I always do, and now I'm going to go into Tati Beauty's Volume 1 palette, and I'm going to go into Memory in the sequin finish right here on an E25. And I'm just going to apply that in a back and forth motion on my crease and socket area of my eyelid. I really enjoy how the black in this palette works, so that's why I decided to use this palette for the black. I just want to take a blending brush and just kind of smooth out the top and lighten it up a little bit. Now I'm just going to repeat that on the other eye. Now I just kind of want to lighten up and smooth out the upper part of my eye. So I'm going to go into Aura right here. I'm going into the sequin finish on that as well, just on a little fluffy brush. And I'm just going to apply that back and forth, just kind of blending the two together and just lightening up by the brow bone. And then I do just want to take my blending brush and just smooth that a little bit more. And I do love a little bit of shimmer up in my brow bone area. So I'm going to go into Aura, but I'm going to go into the metallic finish, and I'm just going to apply that up higher, closest to my eyebrows. I wasn't trying to look like I was trying to put makeup up there. I was just itching my face. Okay, so it's looking like this so far. So when I went through my collection, the 2 greens that I found matched the coloring on the book were from Winky Lux's Mermaid Kitten palette, and the color Siren right here. I'll just fix that for you. So Siren looks like that. And then in the Alma palette, the color Roman, which is the one on the end right here, I felt matched as well. This one had a little bit more of a blue shift to it, but I liked the way the two of them looked together, so I'm actually going to use both of them. So here's the book cover here, and here's the two colors, of course with the black too. So I'm just going to apply a little glitter glue to my mobile lid to keep the two greens in place, and they just feel they just go on better that way. So I'm just taking a small little brush right here, and I'm just going to apply that all over my mobile lid. So just like that, and then the first color I'm going to go into is Siren from Winky Lux, and I'm actually just going to take it on my finger, and I'm going to apply that everywhere I applied the glitter glue, so make sure it's tacky. Yeah. I closed it like it didn't. Sorry, I definitely had like a hair in my eye. I think I fixed it. So like this so far, and then I actually want to take the brush that I had memory on from the Tati Beauty palette, and I just want to kind of go over the top, just kind of blending them out a little bit more together. Like that, and then I want to take Roman from the Alma palette, just on my finger, just like this. Wipe Siren off. And I'm just going to apply a little bit of Roman to the center portion of my mobile lid. It really doesn't change the color too much. I just thought it kind of looked pretty. Plus, I just really like that color in that palette. So like this. Then I want to tie the black in a little more, so I'm actually going to go back into the Tati Beauty palette, and I'm going to go into the metallic finish on Memory. And I'm actually going to take that on a small little flat brush. I just like love making work for myself with the shadows, and I'm going to apply that to the outermost portions of my mobile lid. I dipped it in the wrong finish. So like this so far. Alright, so I'm just going to repeat all of that on this eye, and I'm just going to speech it through it. So it's looking like this so far. Okay, so off camera, I just finished this eye completely, and I just put black eyeliner. It's a Tarte Sex Kitten eyeliner on my, really close to my waterline. I mean my lashes, and on my waterline. And now I'm just gonna go back in to the Tati palette, and I'm gonna go into the matte. If I can open it. I'm gonna go into the matte from Memory right here, just on a small little round brush, and I'm going to apply that below my lower lash line. And then I just want to take a small blending brush and blend it out a little bit. And then for my inner corner, I thought it would be kind of fun to go into Light Year from Terramoons Cosmetics, and I'm just going to pick that up on a small little pencil brush and apply that to my inner corner for some like a real pop of sparkle. This color is really cool. It picks up a lot of like color shifts in it. Alright, so this is the whole look done right here. I really like it. I think I captured the colors from the cover. We'll grab it again. My eyes and the colors. I'm not trying to look like Audrey Rose. I'm just doing the colors from the cover. And I think that we matched pretty good. And I was excited because it's a green, and I love a good green with a good red lip. So, of course, I was able to tie that right into it. But yeah, I think it's a lot of fun. I actually really like this look. It was fun to do something like, you know, that incorporated two things that I really like into one. So it was awesome, and I had fun doing it. I hope, you know, you enjoyed this video. If you liked this video, please feel free to give it a like. If you really, really like this video, please feel free to subscribe. If you want to do neither one of those things, that is totally fine. Thank you for stopping by. I still appreciate you just clicking on this video or whatever. So, I, of course, will send you lots of happy thoughts and positive vibes your way for just existing, because existing is amazing. As always, I will list everything that I am wearing on my face, as well as a link to Stalking Jack the Ripper in case you are interested in checking it out. I'll also list my Instagram and Twitter. I post looks on my Instagram that I do not film, as well as pictures of my pets, and I think that they are adorable, but we are all biased when it comes to our fur babies. So from one makeup lover to another, I hope you guys have a fantastic day, and remember, be you, do you, love you, bye!